Chris here from Car Radios in Dorchester. Today we've got this 2016 Ford Transit Custom for a bit of a bass upgrade. So what we're going to put in is this Phoenix Gold ZR10P. So it's 400 watts peak, 200 RMS. It's a compact 10-inch sub. So these are ideal to go under the seats. They're not big bass units, but they're definitely what we call a fill-in bass. So we'll integrate that into the radio. You get a little sub control, right way around, little sub control that will go onto the dash somewhere so you can control the bass from the front, because you'll obviously have treble and bass from the radio but no sub control. So with the dial, it gives you that bit of extra control. So let's get going. So there we go, all installed, all nicely secured to the wooden floor. The cables run down the back and underneath the floor and forward. So let's show you the sub control. Right, the sub control, we've managed to put it on this little panel here with the on LED indicator as well, and that you can just decrease and increase the bass. So there's a few things we found with this fan. So there was a lot of previous system wiring in behind, which was a bit strangely wired in. The front door speakers are focal coaxials, but the driver's door was out of phase, so we corrected that. Sounds a lot better now. So if you're looking for some extra bass, get in contact. Pretty cool.